Hello. So today I've got this to show you. This drone Q9S 2.4 gigahertz remote control drone supports many drones to fly at the same time. A grand night show with Q9 drones. Okay, cool. Speed control, lighting mode, 6-axis gyroscope, altitude hold, headless mode, 3D flips. Does it all basically. Box is a bit tattered, but that doesn't matter. The drone is working. I've tested it. It's fine. You will need to get batteries for the control at the back, but that's about it. The rest is all here. So yeah, if you want it, just check the description. You should see the links there. And yeah, that's it really.